What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
So for this week's video, I decided to do a little trial and something that will probably be very entertaining to you guys because Kiss sent me some of their products. They do press-on nails, they do lashes, they do all of the things, and they sent me this one specific thing that I have been seeing and wanting to try, which is magnetic eyeliner. So basically the magnetic eyeliner acts as fake eyelash glue. I could not get that sentence out. And you put the eyelashes on and they are magnetic to your eye liner. It's crazy. It's crazy. I've never tried it before. So I thought I would try it on camera because I am very bad at eyeliner. I don't know why. I just have never been able to do eyeliner. So I thought it'd be entertaining to watch me put it on and then do a little review in the process. So it's actually really cool that Kiss sent me like all these fake eyelashes and these nails because when I was younger, I used to use their products all the time. Growing up as a competition dancer, you have to wear fake, what am I saying? I don't know what kind of accent just came out of me. You have to wear fake eyelashes whenever you're on stage so your eyes really pop, because when you're on stage and there's a bunch of lights, you don't want to look like a ghost or like you have no life to your face. Especially when I was like young, when I was like probably 6 or 7 years old and my mom was putting fake eyelashes on me. I was such a brat and I was so mean to my mom. Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Dance competitions start really early in the morning, so it would be like 5 a.m. and my mom would be doing my makeup and putting my fake eyelashes on and I would just be screaming and crying in her face because I hated getting my makeup done and I hated putting on fake eyelashes. And it's really funny because that's changed because I absolutely love fake eyelashes now and it's just hilarious. And whenever I was in elementary school, I wanted to be like a baddie so bad. And I would always buy these fake nails to put on so it felt like I was like super old and sophisticated and have cute nails. Me and my neighbor friends would always do this. So it's just really cool that they sent me these. I actually need to put these on because my real nails right now are so weak and they keep breaking and I don't know why because I normally have really strong nails. It's just like a gift of mine, but not currently. So I'm really happy they sent me these nails. But anyways, that's just a little bit of my history with the company Kiss. Goes way far back. So I'm really excited that they sent me all of these things. Okay, so let's try this. I already did the rest of my makeup. Step 1, line with Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. Step 2, lash right onto the applied liner. And it says contact lens friendly. It's good to know. I don't have contact lenses, but if I did, I would like to know that. You guys, I'm nervous. I don't know why. All right, you guys, let's just jump right into this. Also, here's just a friendly reminder to follow my Instagram at laurenluto and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I think I'm pretty entertaining. Like, are you enjoying yourself? Because I'm enjoying myself. Okay, so these look like pretty natural lashes. I'm pretty sure you can like buy different styles in the magnetic thing. I'm gonna use this mirror that I've had for a really long time. You see that it's blue, so it wasn't yet when my aesthetic was pink, but it's okay, we still like her. Oh my gosh, my pores are huge. So I already have mascara on my eyes. I feel like I probably would have put mascara on anyways to make sure it curls with the fake lash, but this is what it looks like. So first things first, I'm going to make sure, whoa, you do slide it off. It's like a magnet. It goes on that eye. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that it fits my eye. It's not too long, otherwise I'm gonna have to cut it. I feel like that'll work. Whoa, the difference. Oh, I got mascara on my eyelid from the past. It's not coming off. I'll use a cotton swab later. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to apply the eyeliner. I'm so bad at applying eyeliner, you guys. This is just, oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to put on this eyeliner. I feel like I need 2 hands, one to pull my eye and one to hold the mirror. Maybe I'll set the mirror down. I might be a little bit out of frame. Also, yes, if I move, you see my ring light. We all film with ring lights, so I don't really care that you can see it. Okay, so if I go like this, you can still see me. Okay. I think I'm gonna do my other eye first because it's just easier. OMG. OMG. I already messed up! Look at my eye! Okay. Okay. Wow. I don't really do a wing or anything because, like I said, I suck. Oh my god, I really want to do a good job. See how it's thicker in the... Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I can take a thing. I'll be back. I have to hurry before it dries. I'm just bringing my whole thing of cotton swabs because I have a feeling I'm gonna need a lot. Let's make it even. I don't know why the inside swooped up. Why did the inside swoop up? See how the inside swooped up? Okay. You know what? I don't really care. Alright, I think I'm gonna do another coat. So I had to do like a few coats. The middle doesn't look that bad. My hand is shaking. Do you see this? Oh, I made it big there again. Should I just make it super... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Do you see this? I literally suck. I'm gonna have to reapply my eyeliner. I think I need to just get eye makeup remover and start over. I can't believe how bad this is. Oh my gosh. Ah! I need help! Oh wait, I hope my neighbors didn't hear that. I really hope my neighbors don't come check on me after hearing me say I need help. I don't need help, guys. Okay. So I just put some eye makeup remover on it and I'm using a Q-tip. Guys, I don't know if it's gonna work now that I... Oh my god, I'm gonna have to redo my whole eyeliner. Okay, so maybe the first time you try this, do it on a day you're not in a hurry or something, because it might take a few. Well, you're probably good at eyeliner, so you're probably fine. Okay, I think I'm gonna attempt to do one more coat, because I feel like I kind of took off all the magnetic stuff. You know what? I think that's good enough. I need to stop looking a certain direction because... Okay, now I'm gonna let it dry. It doesn't look that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Get it on my hands. Yeah, it's on my nail. I know it's not on the other eye, but I feel like it'll add more air. When did this happen? Okay, I'm just gonna add a shiitake load of eyeshadow afterwards, I guess, because this, I just keep taking it off. Okay, I'm not adding any more. I'm just gonna see if it works. How did it get, is it because I'm looking down? Or is it when I close my eyes and then I open, it gets high? I don't know what's happening. It's already been 15 minutes. Oh, time flies when you're having fun. You know? I think I'm gonna wear these to work tonight, so I'll let you know if they stay on in the bio, cause... Or maybe I'll just film a little insert if it worked. Okay, now I'm gonna try and put it on and see if the magnets work. What if you put it on and then you need to move it around and adjust it? Whoa! It works! Whoa! That is wild. I literally felt the magnet like go. I just said magnet. I can't say the word. I literally felt it like magnetized to my eye. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Look. I have my lashes on. People are gonna be like, I love your lashes. Where'd you get them? I'll be like, they're magnetic. So I can definitely like feel it on my eye, obviously. I think I just need to get used to it. I think it looks good though. And staying on. The worst part is putting the glue on the lash and then putting it on your eye and it just does not work. This is honestly very effective. Okay. I think I just need to pull my eye out so it doesn't get on my eyelid higher. I'm just gonna hold it like this. It still doesn't look that good, but I don't want it to get on the top of my lid, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm probably gonna have to do like one more coat. I think one more coat's good. Okay, I'm not gonna move my eyelid. I just moved it. I just blinked. I think it's okay. As long as you like don't blink really hard, it won't get on your eyelid. That was surprisingly easier than the other side. Shit. I forgot to take my thumbnail photo before I put these on. And I was gonna hold the magnetic lashes and not have lashes on, and now I already have them on. Let's put these on. I can do it with one hand because it just connects. Oh wait, I want to make sure it's even. I need to go in more. Work! Oh my god, you guys, they actually look really good. They actually look really good. I like these. Oh my gosh, okay Kiss, I see you coming out with this magnetic eyeliner. This is a genius idea. I'm legit shook. Okay, well, if you were here looking to see if the magnetic eyeliner lashes are worth it from Kiss, they definitely are, and I give them a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna wear these to work tonight, and I'm gonna keep you posted on how long they stay on. I'm either gonna write it in the bio below, or I'll do a little insert. I'm not gonna do it after work because I get off at like 3 a.m. So cool. Well, thank you so much to Kiss for sending me these. I absolutely love them. If you guys want some magnetic lashes, definitely go to Kiss's site. I'm gonna link them in the bio. So if you want to get some magnetic lashes, I'm sure you can buy them in store too. I think, yeah, I always get my Kiss lashes from in store. So definitely try them out. They work. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope me struggling to put eyeliner on was very entertaining for you. Make sure you hit the bell button so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can watch more fun videos like this. Make sure to like this video, comment down below what your thoughts are on the magnetic lashes. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I said thoughts twice, I don't really care. And I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!